guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. We're here at Power Plant. We're going to unbox something and talk about the Ultra Boost 19.
But before that, so just a quick story. So we were going out of the fort, and we actually got into a car accident.
Yes.
Boom! And he was able to get like footage of it. Well, not the entire thing, but what happened before and what happened after. So long story short, we were making a left. I think my driver's a bit sleepy. And we hit like another car. So good thing that the insurance will cover it. But yeah, it's still a hassle because your car will be out of commission for a few days, and you have to go through the process of gathering all the documents to be able to file the insurance claim. But what's important is everybody's okay. And we were able to get like some footage. Dude, if you were able to take like the footage of the exact time we were hit, viral. But yeah,
I didn't capture it.
The entire moment, yeah. I can already imagine the thumbnail name. Getting into a car crash. So, yeah, but anyway. But yeah, that's what happened earlier today.
But if there's something that I learned from Sir Carlo during that moment is that you need to be calm and patient.
And have a sense of humor.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because everybody's tension is high, so people are on the edge, right?
Yeah.
So you always have to be, I don't know, to have that sense of, like peace of mind. Stuff like that. But yeah, everybody's okay, so yeah, win.
Yes. So the main reason we met at BGC Soul Academy to unbox the Ultra Boost 19, and yes, pretty much I'm very happy about it. The 20% cushion, added boost cushion is really great. However, it's not that soft compared to the OG model, but I think it would be great when you're going to use it for running.
Yeah, I think the 19 was really built as a performance sneaker more than anything else.
Yeah.
So I did a full review on that already. And it's definitely not as comfortable as your traditional Ultra Boost or even the EQT. But the level of stability, firmness definitely helps if you are running or if you are using it on the treadmill or whatever performance type of activity. It gives you better ground feel and stability. So if you're looking for an Ultra Boost that's really built for performance, this is the one that you get over the 4.0, the 3.0, all the other Ultra Boosts. This is the one that's really built for performance.
Yeah. And the upper as well really looks nice and comfy, not compared to the previous models. It is too snug, but this one is just right. The tightness is just right, and the overall fit is just great for a revamped model of the Ultra Boost.
Yeah, but make sure that you guys try it on feet before you buy it. Because I think you got it half a size up, right?
Half size up.
I went a full size up. So don't get it that like true to size unless you have really narrow feet. Air Force One, as you guys know, is one of my favorite silhouettes so far, especially since I got into it like a few months back. I think I have like over 10 pairs of Air Force Ones now, and this is the pair that I've had my eye on for ever since it was announced. So let's just do a quick unboxing. So as you guys can see, it's your typical brown off-white box. So it's brown because it's actually inverted. So if you take a look at what's inside, this is what the normal Nike box looks like. So it's like inside out. So the inside part is what's used as the exterior. And then you have the typical like tissue paper that Off-White uses, which is branded with Jordan, Off-White, Nike. And then you have the actual shoe. Wow. So here it is. This is the Off-White Nike Air Force One in black. So it's pretty much the same, I think, as the Air Force One Off-White in white. I'll do a comparison when I get home, but it looks like it's the same. You have the same suede patch here at the back. You have the same suede detailing at the laces. The laces definitely look nice. You see a metallic vibe on it. And yeah, you have the swoosh, the over branding, the signature at the side. Yeah, looks like your typical Off-White sneaker.
Looks nice.
Yeah, the thing I like about this particular pair, just like why I love the the Grim Reaper blazer is that it's so much more wearable. Because all the other off-whites are just so hard to wear because one, they're ridiculously overpriced and expensive. For example, you buy a Jordan 1 Chicago. Parang every time you take a step, the value goes down. Diba? So the UNCs are hard to wear because they're just like screaming light blue and white. This one is nice because it's just all black. So it goes with any outfit that you pick up. And that's the reason why I really, really wanted to get one.
There you go, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Yes, we're going to Seoul Republic.
Yeah, so watch out for the follow-up vlog on that one. We will be checking out one of the more well-known resellers in Katipunan. So Katipunan is where 2-3 major universities are here in the Philippines. You have Ateneo, you have Miriam, which is for women, you have UP, a bunch of other schools. So a lot of people actually go there a lot of students actually go there to buy their kicks. So a lot of rich students. It's a reseller store. But yeah, excited to check it out.
So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.